Hey guys, thanks so much for stopping by. So the other day I got this box in the mail from Fat Quarter Shop, and I knew I was like in the middle of placing an order, but I didn't think I finished it, so I had to open because I like, what am I getting? So it says So in Love. It's a really cute pink box. So I opened it up, and this was inside. The Table Runner of the Month, May Blossoms. So a couple of years ago, I had signed up for their Table Runner kit of the month, and every month I'd get a Table Runner, and then I didn't get them for a while, and then I guess it started back up. So this is the Table Runner of the Month, May Blossom by Riley Blake Designs, and it's a super cute table runner. So everything is inside except the backing. So it says 10 years, Riley Blake Designs. So here we have the pattern. Super cute. And I think I can do this one pretty easily, I'm hoping. So here are the fabrics. Got this cute yellow gingham, green one, and this one. This one reminds me of my old Barbie doll from like the late 60s, early 70s. She had shorts with this same fabric. So, or a top or shorts, I can't remember which one it was. But that's what that reminded me of. And there's this one. And these are not real big. They're like long, and that's double. That one's no, that's not for the binding. That one, those are, I guess, for all the flowers. Those would be your flower pieces. You can see those, and then you got the yellow, the green, and then that one. And this is the centers of the flowers. Okay, these are the petals of the flower. You got the green petal and then this yellow petal. And then this yellow is this one of the flowers. And they're not super big, but that's two thicknesses there. I got this one. This one. That's for one of the flowers. This one. And that one is for around here. And then that one is all the way around. No, that's not. Let's see. I'm not sure where that one goes. No, this one is for the binding. That one's the binding. It's really hard to see next to the pink. But I believe that's where that one goes, because that pink there is this one. And then this one with the light little polka dots. I think that is what goes behind the flowers. Like this white section, all these white section here. So super cute. And it's a really nice box that you can reuse. It's real sturdy and real pretty. So that is the Table Runner of the Month. I believe it is sold out. When I went on the website and to try to find it and look it up, I did come across one that said sold out. So I don't know if it just means this one's sold out or if the whole year is sold out. So I'll put a link down below. And we'll see where that goes, because I'm not sure, like I said, if it's just for this table runner or the whole year. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments, and thanks so much for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.